Friends of knowledge and exploration, welcome. I'm delighted to greet you in our community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for understanding the world around us. Keep enjoying the videos. In Vietnam, motorcycles play a crucial role in the everyday life of local residents and are a popular means of transportation. This is due to several factors, including their affordability, economic benefits, and the ability to maneuver through busy city streets. Small motorcycle repair workshops in Vietnam play an important role in maintaining the country's motorcycle fleet in working condition. These small auto service centers are a common sight on the streets of cities and even in rural areas of Vietnam. Small repair workshops use simple techniques and tools. Repair mechanics often have extensive experience in servicing motorcycles and are capable of handling various types of breakdowns and issues. One of the main reasons why Vietnamese people prefer small repair workshops is their affordable prices. Motorcycle owners can get necessary repairs at a low cost, making these workshops very appealing to economically vulnerable segments of the population. These workshops usually specialize in servicing and repairing various makes and models of motorcycles. They handle parts replacements, engine repairs, handlebars, brakes, and other motorcycle components. Small repair workshops are an integral part of the local community. Motorcycle owners often personally know the mechanics and have good relationships with them, which strengthens trust and loyalty to the workshop. In some cases, mechanics in Vietnam may employ unusual and creative approaches to motorcycle repairs due to limited access to original spare parts or peculiarities of local technology. This can lead to unconventional solutions that nevertheless help keep motorcycles running. Overall, small motorcycle repair workshops play a crucial role in maintaining the mobility and transportation infrastructure of Vietnam. Their affordable prices, skilled mechanics, and ability to fix almost any issue make them a valuable resource for motorcycle owners in the country. I hope that this video has been interesting for you. Please leave likes, comments, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all the new videos. Your active participation helps me understand what interests you and allows me to create content that inspires you.